Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Roblox on a PC or laptop. So in order to do this, it's really easy. So first of all, just open up the roblox.com and then you want to load up any game. Once you click on play button to load up a game, then you are going to see it's going to get a Roblox now loading, get ready. And generally what's going to happen when it start up Roblox, this is going to automatically update. So sometime it is the case that doesn't always update when you start up a game. So if you are experiencing that and you get not update, you end up games you're getting error codes or glitches with the games, then the best thing to do is actually to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. By doing this, what you are going to do is download and install the latest version of the Roblox player, which is of course going to be the most up-to-date version, and it's going to prevent any short glitches, all error codes or anything along those lines. So if you have tried this and for example you've been getting an error code, you've gone ahead, open a game and it's not updating for any reason, all you are going to do is just come back to your desktop and then in the search bar you have to search for add or remove. Then you just want to click on to the add all remove programs that's going up in the menu. You have to scroll down and in the search bar you have to search for Roblox. You will see this. We just have to click on it and you see the uninstall button here. So just tap on this uninstall Roblox like so, and then to reinstall Roblox, all you need to do is come to roblox.com. I want you to log in. You want to click on to any of these games and what's going to happen, it's going to reinstall the Roblox player. And of course, by doing this, that's going to install the most up-to-date version, that for preventing any glitches or error codes from popping up. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.